So out of curiosity, I went on YouTube and tried to look for different Cyberpunk tutorials to see what other people were teaching you. And I can tell you they're all unnecessarily long and complicated for the sake of the YouTube algorithm. But anyways, I have this picture here, which I'm going to load to the practice files folder. You can find the link in the description. Let's get started. First, I'm going to reduce the highlights all the way. And I'm going to try something different this time. This time I'm going to reduce the shadows to 100 and increase the blacks by 100. And this is just something I'm going to do this time because I like playing around with the sliders. There isn't one correct way of doing it. You just have to play around with things until they come out the way you like them. Now I like the way this looks, but it's a little too contrasty. So let's reduce the contrast just by a little bit. There we go. It kind of looks like a comic / animation. That's really what I'm going for here. Anyways, now I'm going to go down to the split tones. This is where people can go pretty crazy with the colors. They can do whatever they want. Many people are like horrified of the split tones, and they really shouldn't be. It's not hard. You just have to play around and find which colors match you. And I like the way this looks already. You see, this did not take a 20-minute video on Photoshop to do. It only took just a few sliders here in Lightroom. But now I want to play around with the colors. So I'm going to go down to the HSL panel. And actually, I would like to turn the oranges kind of reddish, just like that. Just because we're playing around. And we're going to change the yellows to look a little bit more kind of orange, reduce the saturation. I kind of prefer that, or actually maybe not. Maybe the yellow was better. How about making it more green? And that looks cool. Now we're going to go to the reds. And actually I preferred this look. Anyways, this is the end result. It did not take 15 minutes on Photoshop. It took probably less than 2 or 3. Might have taken less if I wasn't talking so much. But really, it's all about experimenting. Like, do anything you want. Even that looks pretty cool. Just play around with the sliders. Make it look the way you want it to look. Your own imagination is the limit.